Hey, Mr. Build-A-Bum here. Today I'm going to be showing you this door hinge hatchet that I made. Now, you can see it's not sharpened yet, but I will be sharpening it soon. It has a wood spirit carved onto it right there. And it's made from a piece of poplar. It's pretty nice. It'll be a lot nicer. As you can see, it has very little wiggle in there. So I think it's gonna come out good. Well, I partially can't push on it because I gave myself a blood blister by accident. Oh, where that is, it's where you just nick yourself really hard by accident. And, yeah, it gives you a blood blister. That's a wood spirit. I don't know why I carve wood spirits onto everything. It's just kind of my thing, I guess. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, please subscribe, rate, and comment.